Hello everyone. Today is day 9. Product manager trying to learn the skills of an AI engineer. Today we are gonna see an overview of LangGraph. How does it work? How is it different from Langsmith, as well as how it is different from OpenAI Agent SDK and Crew AI. So this is the starter project that I have built today. It is available on my GitHub on prod code by Loki. This is day 9 of LangGraph and this is the GitHub repo. Now to start off, let's understand what is LangGraph. So LangGraph is a framework, again similar to OpenAI Agent SDK or CrewAI. This is again a framework for building stateful, very important, and multi-step AI agents. Now in these graphs we have node, which can be a function or an LLM call, and we have edges which define how each of the nodes. Now LangGraph is nothing but state machine for LLM. It's a shared object that is passed through every node. It's a sort of snapshot on what has happened so far, what all nodes have been called, what all changes have been made. Because in a graph we don't have a linear path to follow. Like each node can be called n number of time by any other nodes, and there is no proper pathway. So that's why we maintain a state is nothing but a set of different, I would say, variable clubbed together as an object that is passed again different calls, different nodes. Now some of the key properties: it's stateful, we discussed. It's cyclable, graph can loop, so each and can retry, reflect, call other nodes and everything. It's observable also, so using LangGraph we get a basic integration using Langsmith also. Now to maintain state, this is a pydantic model, or we can use typedict also, but primarily most of the time pydantic is preferable, and every nodes will read and write. So again we have defined one. Now, a quick side note on reducer. Reducer is nothing but it controls how the field is updated. Now, why it is needed? Why don't we just go ahead and update? No, why don't we just go ahead and update the variables? The issue being we don't know which specific nodes will be called and how the changes might happen. It might be the case that there are two nodes that are called simultaneously and they will try to change the value, and then we'll not have a clue on what has happened. Now, here we are going to discuss the starter project that we have, which is Market Intelligence Agent. So this is available here. The core flow is start, stock, news fetcher. It will fetch the headline. It will predict the market mood. And finally, we have an insight summarizer. So these three are different agents. Now, this whole thing can be done without agents also. It's just a starter project to gain an understanding of the working of Lang. So yeah, this is the state flow on how it is being managed across all. So this you can have a look and you can copy this project, run in your own system and see how this works. A quick word on state schema that we have defined. So we have market state to track the state. Messages is annotated list, add messages, again more or less same. And this is what will happen. So ticker is a string. This is the stock that we want to pass. News headlines will be a string. Market mode is optional. Final summary is optional. Now this is a quick overview of Langsmith. So this is the one that we just ran now. What this land graph consists of. So these three nodes we have. In this nodes, what specific things have happened, and this is the flow that has happened. So this called this. This also called inside summarizer, and the new stock fetcher actually send the detail to market mode predictor. So this is the whole flow. We can also see the outputs. I would say I'm not still very confident in LangGraph. I think I do need to spend a little bit more time in understanding this, maybe building one or two more projects on it. So that's what we will be trying on day 10. So catch you on day 10. Bye.